Do you want to know how to transfer Toncoin from Bitget to Tonkeeper? I will show you how to do it in just a few steps. So what we can do in this case is just click onto this sell option. And in here we have in here the BTC and USDT. Just click on it right here. And let's change it into Ton. Just click onto this search and search in here for Ton. And you can see this right here. Let's choose in here Ton. And then enter in here the quantity of Ton that you want to send. For example, let's put in here 18 and we'll have in here a total of 98 USDT. Just click onto this sell ton option right here and from there click onto this transfer option. Now once you have done that, you can choose in here the actual coin. Just click on coin right here and let's choose in here the ton in here as well. Just search in here for that until you find it. Now from in there, you just enter in here the transfer amount and click on confirm right here in order to transfer those two together. Make sure to also put in here the two option. You can put in here a spot option or other wallet that you want.